Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the topic sticker on Snapchat. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So first, let's open up the Snapchat app. Now let's take a picture. Now tap on the sticker icon here at the top right. On the screen, you'll see the topic icon. It should appear in your favorites, the star. Tap on topic. Here you'll get all the topics. Using your fingers, you can basically scroll up and down to see all the different topics which are trending. To use it, just tap on it, and that will be pasted on your snap. Now using your fingers, you can move it anywhere you like. You can also resize it. Tapping on it will change the color or the style of it. And then after that, you can basically post it to Snapchat. And that is how to use the topic sticker on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.